Hello, hello, another unboxing video because I told you I bought a lot of stuff, and this one is from Tabitha, Tabitha's Glass Emporium. So there you go. And I bought this during her free global shipping weekend. She does this a few times a year. Thank you, Tabitha. I always love that. I don't think, when you consider the prices and then even adding in your, VAT and shipping charges, still very affordable to the United States. So if you're willing to wait just a little bit, I loved ordering from her, but it's even better when it's free shipping weekend. So let's dive in. I did not order, I didn't go crazy like I often do. And great packaging team. I mean, these boxes just get all beat to heck and back, but they always are packed so well inside to protect everything. So where do we begin? Let's start with the big packages. Tropical fish. So I love Tabitha's fish. I use them on lots of underwater pieces, and I was just running low, so it was time, and so I ordered a mix because I love the mixes, because then I have lots of little guys to pick from. So you've seen these before, you've seen me use them, you've seen Tabitha use them. They're amazing, and so thank you for those. These are the starfish. I think these are particularly cool in pieces as just little accents at the bottom of the ocean floor. And so I was running low on them, so I ordered the starfish mix. Check those out. Really, really cool. And let's see here. I know that there are some more. Yep, scalloped shells. So let's see here what these look like. Yep, that's exactly what they are, shells. And I like these too. I was running low. I think those colors are kind of fun. So that is kind of the underwater mix there. And then I dove in on the Christmas stuff. So, because my holiday shows are coming up, I'm gonna need lots of little fun pieces for those. So she has these, this is cane, so I have to chop these, but these little baubles look like ornaments here. See those? Look how detailed those are. Really pretty amazing. So I bought, some of this stuff is in cane. I don't mind chopping it myself. So that's that Christmas mix. Here's another one. Oh yeah. You know what that is. Check them out. Really, really cool. Am I even holding, I can't see my camera. I don't know that I'm holding these in a very good spot for you. That'll be embarrassing. I'll try to fix what I can in editing. But really cool pieces there. And then some Christmas trees. These are sliced up already. Check those out. I mean, for real. So cool. So cool. Definitely can feel the Christmas spirit there with the garland and the lights on those. Then these were red, white, and sparkle green starbursts. Pretty neat. Neat stuff. Very holiday-like. And these are not necessarily Christmas per se, although you could get that feeling. These were red star flowers. I just thought they looked neat. I don't even know what I'm going to do with them, but as I was filling a cart, I said I kind of need those. So, really neat design on those. So there you go. Hope everybody is having a great one. It is cooling down here. The fall feels great. I've got 2 more boxes to unbox, but I'll save those for another video. Catch you all later. Bye-bye.